Welcome to another video where this bloody big Hero 6 guy is trying to murder us, so we're gonna run in. It's called Don't Let Them Out. I don't know who them is. Is it Robbie? Is it me?
Hey!
What?
You're offending me.
Why?
Stop it. I'm an actual killer. Not really.
Okay, but seriously,
Yeah, I'm not really a killer. I'm only like 8 or so. Ouch!
or
You just got offended.
this game. I feel so bad for the people that first made this. I feel so bad for them.
The killers in Area 51.
Oh no, this game. I feel so bad for the people that started this game, because everyone's
Okay.
copying it. Let's do that one.
Yeah.
That one's good. Survive the killers.
Survive and kill the killers in Area 51.
I'm thinking if I get a computer for my birthday, maybe I'll be able to make better videos. Smile Studios! I talked about these people in my other video. At the end.
Hey guys. Today we are. Oh, whoopsies.
No, I don't like this game. Why?
Hey guys.
Smile Studios is more like frowny studio
Hey
face.
guys, what is
Why is this game not working?
Today we are going to be playing another
It's not letting me leave. It lets me leave and then it just makes me stay.
Today we are playing another
Oh, I'm getting
Roblox
out of
game.
that. No.
And the Roblox game we are playing today is called Survive and Kill the Killers in Area 51.
I'm playing with Robbie Buck.
My name is RobbieBat128. If you're playing with me, comment down below. Oh, somebody killed Sonic. Somebody killed Sonic.exe.
Cool.
Oh wow, he's in pieces.
Okay, I'm coming to join.
Look
Coming to
at-
collab.
Coming?
Yeah.
Is that ketchup or blood?
I don't know.
Probably blood. If it's Area 51.
Top of the morning to you guys. My name is
Ow!
Jackson. Top of the morning to you guys. My name is Jackson. Hi.
Ow!
Welcome back to another video.
Stop it!
Love. Top of the morning.
There. How do you like it?
I got beat up.
Yeah.
I'm totally in pain.
I can hear Slender. I can still hear Slender.
I can hear Slender. I can hear Slender. You guys, I hope this video is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, this is like the creepiest game, other than the horror elevator, I've ever played. Shoot, dead end. Okay, this one person has a chainsaw. I don't know if he's good or bad. Show yourself. Okay, he's a good guy. Is he good or
He's a bad guy.
He's bad. Yeah, I can't tell because everybody's gray.
Nine.
Close the
Yes,
door, there's
later.
Slender. Close the doors, there's Slender. Close
I
the
wish they had it for
doors,
my.
There's Slender.
I wish they had Mobazine on iPad things.
Mannequin challenge, guys.
Hi guys, we're back. Everything's gray. Mine, I bet it will be. Yep, not gray.
Mine is not colorless. Mine has no color. Are you dropping yet? Man, how long is it taking you to drop?
I don't even
It's a
see
trampoline.
you. Oh, I have color. Yes, now. Okay, we're all colored.
I'm not colored.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Everybody's frozen.
Get out of there! Get out of there! Slender's right here! Oh crap! Oh crap! Run! Crap! He got me! Oh,
He isn't even moving for me. Look at it.
bam!
Savage. I'm standing right next to Slender.
Come on in. Jack and Slender. Okay, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna annoy the crap out of these two. Be like,
What in the world? Just kill me.
oof!
Ooh. Did I just lose connection to the game? Okay, so far everything's getting colored.
Run.
I can't run!
Back up again.
I can't run! I can't! I can't run!
Or you'll be done.
Look, it's not letting me. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave this game.
Okay, bye.
For a little, don't worry, don't
Crap,
worry.
found another friend. I'm on the lookout for a mission. The wonder was I hear
Oh man, everything's raining now for some reason. Every time I spawn in a game now, for some reason. Oh, whoops, I forgot to join yours.
Oh crap, I found it.
I need one that has color.
Please say we got away. Yes, we got away! Got away! Crap, I think the other door is not shut. Oh, that was a dead end. If he got me, I would have been dead.
Who?
There's a guy right there, and he's looking at me funny. Oh crap, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help. Help. Help me. Help me. Help. Help. Help me.
Guys, this thing is this phone is taking so long to load. I have to turn on the Wi-Fi.
Oh crap, I found Sonic.exe just staring at me. It's like it's actually on the screen. Look at this romantic date having to defend Sonic.exe. Yeah, that was really good of a date, Sonic.exe. Stop acting like a duck. I know you're not. Okay, I guess Sonic.exe, we're breaking up. I don't like you. Okay, I guess he doesn't like me either. That's reasonable. Ah! Ah! He follows me. He's following me. How does he look through walls?
Help me.
Crap, I think all the bad guys are behind this door. There's a killer. I'm trapped. I'm double trapped. I'm dead. Let's just see if it works now. Let's see if Sonic.exe is still following me. Oh my god! So I'm able to get out of this place.
Yeah, right. Yes, connection lost. I knew it would happen.
You guys, 1 like equals 1 prayer to my beautiful face.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to log out of Roblox.
Ouch!
Go back in Roblox.
Oof! Oof! Okay, how will I get out? Let's see if he's still following me.
Okay, guys. So stop it!
Yeah, this is Sonic follow.
Yeah, Sonic is following me.
Ha 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 ha, you can't kill me. I must have to pace. How am I gonna get out of here? How's life? Oh, I just realized.
Okay, guys, we are gonna end this video.
Yep, same with me. If you like, comment, subscribe. See you fellas later.
Bye bye.
Tahoo!